In the heart of Riverside, where life moves at a relentless pace, there's one name you can trust when it comes to managing your property: Ryconn Property Management. Are you a multi-homeowner, juggling a hectic life, and finding it increasingly challenging to manage your own property? Look no further. Ryconn Property Management is here to take the burden off your shoulders. We're not just a company that collects rent. We're your partners in success. We are committed to increasing tenant satisfaction, boosting your property value, and providing you with the in-depth market knowledge you need. At Ryconn, we don't just manage properties, we deliver a holistic suite of Riverside property management services. Our mission: to empower property owners, investors, and managers. Our comprehensive offerings encompass everything from property upkeep to rental administration, tenant vetting, leasing coordination, and meticulous financial documentation. We're your one-stop solution. And when emergencies strike, we're there for you 24/7 with round-the-clock emergency assistance. Trust the experts who know Riverside inside and out. Trust Ryconn Property Management. Contact us today, and let's embark on a journey of worry-free property ownership. Ryconn Property Management, your partner, your peace of mind.